Hey guys, I'm coming to you from the bottom pond of the hillside garden, and we're going to look at Carolina cherry laurel, Prunus caroliniana. The leaf arrangement is alternate. The leaf form is simple. The leaf margin can vary. It can be entire or it can be serrated. On this particular specimen, they all look entire. I tend to see serrations lots of times on juvenile specimens. But let's see what we see as we kind of peruse some of this foliage. All of these really do seem to be entire. Interesting. So this is a tree. It's broadleaf and evergreen. It is considered a small tree. The form is naturally rounded, oval, or irregular. You get a lot of variability in this plant. Not picky about soil, not picky about moisture, not picky about pruning. The exposure, let me back up a second. The growth rate is considered rapid. The exposure to light is sun to partial. You can see this one is really reaching out to get some sun. It's very much only growing on this one side. Climactic hardiness zones are 7, 8, and 9. The landscape uses can be used as a hedge, a naturalized setting, or a screen. Other would be a tree form. Flowers are showy and fragrant in the early spring. They're white. The fruit are profuse, as you can see here. They are a drupe, so they have a single seed. Green when immature, black when mature, anywhere from 3/8 to 1/2 of an inch, and not edible. So let me zoom in so you can see. That's a pretty significant fruit load, don't you think? It's all over this plant. Autumn color is not applicable. Leaf texture is medium. It's described as lustrous green foliage. No notable bark characteristics. There are 2 cultivars. One is bright and tight, compact pyramidal, tightly branched. Another is cherry ruffles. It has a wavy leaf margin. For pests and diseases, these are susceptible to a leaf spot, and they're a favorite of a variety of chewing insects. They are a North Carolina native. They are a U.S. native. They are invasive. I found no information about salt tolerance. For other information, this plant naturally grows in a shrubby type form, but it's easily trimmed up to a tree form like this. When I've seen them for sale, for purchase, they often are kind of an oval shape, but very dense, just like our Nellie R. Stevens hollies or any of those screening type plants look. There is a cherry odor that you can smell if you scratch the stem. And it is noted that these are dangerous or hazardous to livestock. So this is our main specimen, but there are seedlings all over everywhere. So you don't have to look far. I look forward to taking a look at this in person next week. Thanks.